guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the HCU admission notification 2019-20. There are some important dates we have to remember before filling the application form. So please, University of Hyderabad admission notification 2019-20. Online application begins from 1st April 2019-20. Last date of submission of online application form 3rd May 2019-20. Downloading of hall tickets from 28th May 2019-20. Dates of entrance examination start from 27th May to 31st May 2019-20. These were the important dates which we have to know before filling the examination form. And more, hall tickets and information to the shortlisted candidates for interview and selected waitlisted candidates will only be notified in university website. And the website are, these are the two websites which I have mentioned here, and you can directly visit this website for updates. I hope this video was helpful. I will update you more about the application form and process in my upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe HRK Studio.